Hello students, welcome in 11 Computer Science. We started with the chapter 2 Logic Gates and Sequential Circuits from paper 2. Students, in this video we are going to learn how to draw logic diagram of given Boolean expression. Before that, just see basic symbols of derived gates and basic gates. Already you know these all symbols, but just revise it. This is NOT gate. Boolean equation is A bar. This is AND gate. Boolean equation is y equal to A dot B. This is OR gate. Boolean equation y equal to A plus B. This is NAND gate. Boolean equation y equal to A dot B complete bar. This is NOR gate. Boolean equation y equal to A plus B complete bar. Okay. Now this is XOR gate. Boolean equation A plus B. Okay. These are the basic symbols and Boolean equations of gates. Different gates. Okay. Means dot indicates AND sign and plus indicates OR gate. Okay. Now see first example. Draw the logic diagram of given expression. Now see, this is y equal to A bar dot B bar, then plus A dot B complete bar. Okay, this is the given Boolean expression. Now student, in this expression we draw logic diagram. Before that, just see first bracket A dot B. Dot indicates which gate? Dot indicates AND gate. Okay. Plus indicates OR gate. Now see here A bar or B bar or complete bar. Okay. A bar means NOT gate here used. Okay. Now see student, how to draw this logic diagram for this equation. A and B are the given inputs and Y is the output. Okay. Now see, first draw A input, then B input. Okay. Now A dot B. Dot indicates AND gate. Okay. So first draw AND gate. But see here, bubble is there. Why bubble is connected here? Because A bar here and B bar here. So here bubble is connected. Bubble means it indicates like this. Okay. Means NOT gate also used for this bubble. Instead of this bubble, we can use this NOT gate. Same as it is equivalent to this gate. Okay. It is equivalent to this gate. So first before AND gate, connect NOT gate, then give the output individually A bar or B bar. Individually. This word is very important. If complete bar is given, then after gate, connect bubble. Okay. If individually input bar is given, then before connect bubble is there. Understood? This difference between कंप्लीट बार और इंडिव्हिज्युअल बार. ठीक आहे. जर इंडिव्हिज्युअल बार दिला असेल तर अगोदर बबल कनेक्ट करायचा आणि नंतर कंप्लीट बार जर असेल गिवन एक्सप्रेशनला तर शेवटी बबल कनेक्ट करायचा. ठीक आहे. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट गेट इज विच गेट? डॉट. डॉट मीन्स अँड गेट ऑल्सो, बट हियर विच कंप्लीट बार. सो सी here output is A bar dot B bar. Now second one is complete bar, means here bubble is connect, means NAND gate. Okay. A and B bar. Now what is the output for this gate? A dot B bar. Now we get this A bar dot B bar and A dot B bar. Now complete these two equation, join which gate? OR gate, because plus sign is there. So these two gates, okay, these two gates connect which gate? OR gate. See, OR gate. So given expression, what is the output? Y is equal to A bar dot B bar plus A bar A dot B complete bar. Means plus sign indicates OR gate. Understood, student? How to draw logic diagram of given Boolean equation? Okay, this question asks in paper for 3 marks. Now next, see one more example. Circuit or logic diagram. It may be circuit or logic diagram. Now see what is the Boolean equation. Y is equal to A plus B. Here plus sign, but round is there. This plus sign indicates XOR gate. Then A dot B. Okay. Now plus means which gate? OR gate. Okay. This sign gate XOR gate. And this sign gate AND gate. Okay. Now see. A and B are input. A and B are input. Now for first connect gate for this first bracket. Okay. Plus sign means first connect OR gate. See. Okay. Means what is the output for this gate? A plus B bar. Now get A plus B. Okay. Now connect AND gate. See. AND gate, then give for this. Connect AND gate for this second bracket. Now what is the output here? A dot B. Now see here which sign plus round means which gate? XOR gate. Now this both gates, output of these both gates connect XOR gate. Okay. Now what is the final equation given here? Get A plus B plus A dot B. We get this Boolean equation after this build logic diagram using these gates. Okay. Understood, student? Now reverse question also asked in paper. Reverse means see here, write Boolean equation of following circuit diagram. Means तुम्हाला असे सर्किट डायग्राम किंवा लॉजिक डायग्राम दिलेले असेल त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही you can write Boolean equation of given logic diagram. Now see first diagram. Okay, A and B are input, Y is output. Now see here in this gate, which gate is connect? NOT gate. NOT gate means here bubble is connect. Okay, means if A is passed this NOT gate, then here becomes A bar. Okay. Now what is the input of this AND gate? A bar and B. Now what is the output? A bar dot B. Dot indicates AND gate. Okay. So Boolean equation for this gate, Y is equal to A bar dot B. Understood, student? Now see second logic diagram. See here. In both inputs connect NOT gate. Means after this NOT gate, here A bar and B bar. Okay. See here. If A is passed here, so here A bar and here B bar. Now input of this A bar B bar. Now what is the output here? XOR gate. A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now what is the equation? Boolean equation. A bar dot, sorry student, here instead of dot sign write this equation. Because XOR gate is here, A bar plus XOR sign is A bar plus B bar. Understood? Okay. Now see one more logic diagram. See here, A and B are the input. Now this is which gate? OR gate. This is AND gate and this is NOR gate. Now what is the equation if A and B pass through these gates? Okay. See here. Here what is the output? A plus B because OR gate. Okay. Here A dot B. Now this A plus B, A dot B, this both output pass through this NOR gate. Means see here A plus, what is the final equation? A plus B plus A dot B, but here bubble is there, so complete bar. Okay, so complete bar. Now this is the Boolean equation for this given logic diagram. Understood, student? How to draw logic diagram of given expression or given logic diagram, write the Boolean equation, vice versa. Okay student, understood this topic? Now this is the homework for you. Complete this within 2 days. Okay, thank you. End of this session. Okay student.